We are here today to introduce you to Deep Market Making's revolutionary AI-powered corporate bond and analytics platform. To start, you can search for any bond, QSIP, ticker, however you want to look at it. In this case, we will choose Verizon. You can very easily add all the bonds in Verizon to a portfolio, to a run, or create a custom alert for that ticker. In this case, we will add the bonds to a run. We will click in, call it Verizon. Within that run, there's a multi-level sort. We'll show you some of the functionality quickly. So percentiles, you can think of this as your odds of transacting at any given level. I can go in and change this to 30%, and that is a 30% likelihood of getting hit at that bid side. I can change the offered side to 30%, and you can see how the bid offer widens out to levels that better reflect the market. But you can also see how that varies by the liquidity of the bond and depending on what's going on in that name. On any of the screens on DeepMM, you can click on this percentile button and it's going to give you a probability breakdown of your likelihood of transacting at any given level. You can also go through and set standard bid offer widths. This is very helpful in sending out runs quickly and easily. That's a task that used to take an hour, 2 hours. Now it can be done in minutes. You can also go in and create profit mode, it is called, which will show you the inside market where you have the best chances of trading at the bid side, the offered side, and multiplying that by a spread to generate an expected profit. On any of these screens, if you click through on the bond, you can see what we call our chance to fill graph. Within this graph on the left side, you can see the size of the expected transaction, what the model predicted, and the spread at which the bonds ultimately traded. You can again change the percentiles on any part of this, and it will generate unique probability distributions for a given size or a level. That can be easily changed as well. And then you can add historical pricing that will give you probability range distributions. You can go through, look at things on a portfolio basis. In this case, if we want it to be Verizon bonds again, we will just come in, click on Verizon. You can look at relative value curves within the credit. You can also come through and multi-level parse. You can imagine dropping in whole sectors or portions of the market into that different functionality. And then last, there is custom alerting based on the level of the transaction and spread, yield, or price that you are looking to have the AI monitor for you.